What if I told you that you don't need a ton of money, connections, or a business degree to start and scale a successful business? That's exactly what this channel is here to show you. I create free, real, step-by-step content designed to help you open, grow, and scale your own business with actionable strategies you can actually use. Share this video with someone you know is serious, or if you're serious about building something for yourself. Stick around, this video is for you. Starting a business can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it achievable. First, you need to validate your business idea. This means ensuring there's a real market need for what you're offering and that it has the potential to be profitable. Next, choose a memorable and unique business name that aligns with your brand. Don't forget to check its availability with your state's business registry and consider trademarking it. After that, select your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC, as this impacts taxes and liability. Once you've decided on a structure, register your business with the state. You'll also need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS, which is like a social security number for your business and is often required for opening a bank account and filing taxes. Depending on your industry and location, you'll need to get the necessary state and local licenses and permits to operate legally. Register for state taxes if applicable to your business. With all your documentation in order, open a dedicated business bank account to keep personal and business finances separate. Finally, set up your business operations, which includes everything from financial record keeping to establishing an online presence. Taking these steps will help you build a solid foundation for your new venture. If you found this video useful and want a copy of the step-by-step guide and more important information that I don't go over in the video, click the link in the description. Before you go, if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more than you know. Every like, comment, and subscription tells YouTube to share this content with more people who are trying to learn how to start and grow their own business. My goal is to keep creating free, real, and practical content that actually helps you open, build, and scale a successful business. Your support makes that possible and keeps this channel growing. I'll see you in the next video.